Good morning fans, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching people how to do maintenance for your CCTV camera. So this is wireless camera. We don't need to do any connection with cables to the PoE switch or to the NVR or to the GVR. So we have some information here, the QR code to scan to get the mobile app or to call the company. Right, so you get also the solar panel, the plate, and the port. That is the port is under. So I'll be showing you on how to download the mobile app and scan the camera. So let's get started. So I think the first step is to remove your SIM card, because you need to activate the SIM card with data. You need to activate it, so we need to remove the SIM, MTM SIM. We do the activation and after we slot it back. So let's remove the SIM. So I have already activated the mobile data on it. So what I need to do is to place back the SIM card on the camera. So you need to place back the SIM on the camera. Maybe people did not see it well and people need to see. So inside the camera, this is where you slot your SIM card and your memory card. So I'm going to slot it.
Okay, so just go to your Apple Store if you're using iPhone and download the application. So I've already downloaded the application. Open the application. You are going to see this interface. Just click on get started and you accept the permission. You need to accept the permission, grant that permission. Click on allow. Anything they ask you, just click on allow. After that, you need to register. Go to Africa. You input your country. Go now to input your email. You need to input your email, and after inputting your email, you click on next. Now after clicking on next, they are going to send you a verification code. Yeah, that is it. So you need to input the password. You need to set your password. So that is it. I'm putting my password. After creating your password, you click on confirm. Click on confirm. Automatically you have created your account. So after that, you need to click on allow again to allow that process. Then you now go to add device. You click on add. Now this procedure, I insert shared a device, yes, from another phone to another phone. So the place is there, the button is there to share a device. 2 devices or 3 up to 20 can connect on that one camera. So we already shared the device, and that is it. The cameras have all pop up. That is it. 3 views. So that is how you can connect your camera, wireless camera, to your mobile phone. So the first step is download the mobile application, then scan the code. Use the code from your phone to scan. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share this video, comment on this video, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Thank you.